Hi, this is Rich Flynn of F6C Photography. Today I'm going to discuss washing a trailer, be it a Class A, Class B, C, fifth wheel, travel trailer, or any type of trailer. Prior to learning this technique, which there are plenty of YouTube videos on, I used to do it by hand. I would get out a bucket, put some soap in it, get out the ladder, wet down the trailer, wash it, rinse it, and just keep on moving everything around, and it would usually take me a half a day. Things always showed up nicely, but there is an easier way of doing it. I was taught this process by our friends in Michigan, Jim Isley. Here's a short clip of Jim actually washing my trailer.
Come to Michigan, get your trailer cleaned.
In order to do this, you will need a pressure washer, 2 foam cannons, one for soap, one for wax, and a product that we used in order to take the bugs off and grease or grime that gets kicked up while you're driving down the road, something called Awesome. You can find it in a dollar store, most dollar stores. The process we follow is very simple. Wet down the trailer, use Awesome where necessary on the cap in order to get the bugs, use a brush to brush out the soap and dirt, and then rinse. I will include a links below on the products that we used that can be purchased for Amazon. What follows is a 3-minute video of me doing the front cap and side of the trailer. I've accelerated by 800% so I don't bore you. If you like this, leave a thumbs up. If not, leave a comment below, or just leave any comment below. Hope your trailers turn out as nicely as ours, and safe travels down the road.